Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor and the faculty vacancies notification from the two government universities. Here one is the central government and second one is the state government university. So here the requirement of UGCNET or PhD is not mandatory. So let us see the details regarding both these two notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, it is the first one is Maulana Azad National Urdu University. So it is a central university. A walk-in interview for assistant professor at School of Computer Science and Information Technology and School of Commerce and Business Management at Hyderabad on short-term contract basis. Okay, and here the salary not exceeding 50,000 rupees per month as per UGC norms, and for number of posts, details of qualification and experience, please visit the university website. Okay, I will show you all the details here itself in the PDF. The date of walk-in interview 30th March 2021 for the School of Computer Science and Information Technology, and the 31st March 2021 for the School of Commerce and the Business Management. Okay, and coming to the number of vacancies, you may check down here. In the computer science, total 5 vacancies are there, and commerce and business management 3 vacancies are there. And as per the caste category, the number of vacancies are also split up here, and you may check down the date, venue, timings of walk-in interview here. And coming to the qualifications, the BTech and MTech programs, okay, undergraduation and the post-graduation is required. There is no necessity of GATE or else the UGCNET. But here the thing is that essential Urdu qualification for all teaching positions as per the university ordinance. Okay, so that is a mandatory guys. And coming to the MCA programs also, BE BTech or ME MTech, okay, and essential Urdu qualification. And coming to the qualification for the School of Commerce and Business Management. So coming to the commerce, here the master's degree with 55% of marks, along with that one, the NET set or SLET qualification must be there for the commerce department. Okay, so these are the few more norms are provided here, and the monthly remuneration, salary not exceeding the 50,000 rupees per month, and the age limit is preferably below 35 years. Okay, and I will provide this PDF link at the end of the description box of this video, so you may check down guys. And here the reporting time is also given, 30th March and 31st March morning 9:30 AM is the reporting time. Fine. And here the registration form is also attached in this PDF. So I will provide this PDF link. Okay, to get the more accurate and the perfect details, please once go through entire this PDF once again. Okay, and coming to the second one, that is Shivaji University. It is under the University of Delhi guys. And this notification released on 19th March 2021. Actually here the vacancy is there for the guest faculty or else guest faculty vacancy for the business economics. The date is 1st April 2021, and it is a walk-in interview guys, morning 11 o'clock, and the venue is in the principal office. The nature, number of posts, 1 unreserved. And the guest faculty will be paid honorarium 1500 rupees per lecture, subject to the maximum of 50,000 rupees per month. Okay, and the TADA will not be provided, and all candidates has to require to bring their CV along with the testimonials or publications. Okay, college before half an hour on the above mentioned date and time. After that, no candidate will be entertained. So this PDF also I will keep at the end of the description box of this video. So please find out guys, and share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGCNET candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide